Okay, so if you notice when you look at your YouTube dashboard or just browse through YouTube, what do you see? What is the first thing that pops out to you? It's going to be the thumbnails in most cases. Sometimes maybe it's the title, but most of the time it's the thumbnail. So we're going to take a quick look at how some of these thumbnails are made. And we're going to start doing that for our channel. So the way I like to do it now, before I would go and create templates in Photoshop and things of that nature, there are services out there like Canva, Adobe Express, plenty of online sites where you can do thumbnail creation now, and you can do it for free. So here is one that I quickly mocked up using a template. So if this looks familiar, it's because it's from Canva's templates. You just type in a search here and find what you like, and then you can click and drag and drop and add your own elements and everything to it. So this is a very easy way to do this. I'm not going to recreate this one. I'm going to continue on this one, and then in a later episode we will go ahead and do one from scratch, because I need to go ahead and get something put up today on YouTube for the channel, just so we can start growing as of the first days of 2023, so we can keep better track of growth. And as you can see over here, there's some other examples that I was tinkering with and modifying. But again, we'll go into Canva in depth a little bit later on. So I'm going to go ahead and show you another thing that I think is important. I need a graphic possibly to cover up this black, and maybe not, but let's give it a shot and we'll see. I want it to be relative to my video, so I may go get a screenshot from my video. Now you could go back into your editing software and screenshot something from there, but there are free tools that I was told about that will allow you to view your video and select a screenshot directly online, and that was called a YouTube screenshot or Screenshot YouTube. So go to Google, do a search for Screenshot YouTube. I'm not sponsored by them. I don't know anything about this product. It's not even installed. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And it's supposed to add a screenshot option underneath your video. So we're going to go ahead and add that to Chrome. We'll add the extension. All right, now that it's installed, we'll go see if it works. So we'll go to our channel. We will go to a video here. Let's go ahead and click on the video link. And there's our screenshot button. So let's go find a spot in our video. Keywords, that might be a good spot. What time is that? That's 6:30. Let's see. Name research. What? Yeah, we can do that for name research. Let's go ahead and click this button and see what happens. Okay, so by clicking this, it automatically downloaded this, and I'm guessing it downloads it to your default for the browser, which I don't know what that is. So we'll go looking through our downloads and see if we can find it. Okay, so we went and uploaded the image that we created a screenshot with using that extension, and we are going to go ahead and insert it right here. I don't know if it'll let me crop it all. It says it will, so let's see. No, that's pretty cool. I did not know this had a cropping feature. So let's crop it. Okay, we'll hit done. Boom. Now we'll expand it. Expand it. Let's go ahead and send this, send it back. Let's delete. go ahead and delete that altogether. That doesn't look too bad. We can probably change the color of these to maybe a black. No, let's do white. Doesn't look too bad. Let's change the arrows maybe to black. Yeah, there you go. That doesn't look too bad. And if you notice, what I did was I didn't have any website information on the thumbnail. Maybe I'm crazy, but I would think that that would be a violation of terms, having external links or website addresses on your thumbnails. So good thing there's nothing there. You can't identify where this is coming from. It'll also help people click on the link to view the video to see where this is coming from. I don't know that I like that font, so let's change everything. Slide it over here, slide this over. Cool. All right, not too bad. We'll go ahead and use this. So then the next step, quick and easy, go to share, go to download, keep it as a PNG. It's automatically set up for a thumbnail template because that's what I used. I'm gonna go ahead and download. All right, and it's downloaded to my downloads folder. Okay, so how do you upload a thumbnail to your video, a custom thumbnail? Go to the video you want to upload for. Go over to your thumbnail section, and it will automatically populate thumbnails for you. And as you can see, they don't look too good. So I'm going to go ahead and change. Oh, new feature. Before you didn't have to do this. Now it's saying that you need to verify your phone number first. So one of those things. Let's see how this goes. Because the last time I had to verify an account, I didn't have to put in a phone number. I had to give them my driver's license identification information, and that was to use external links. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so I put in my phone information. Let's go back. Let's try this again. Try refreshing the page. Okay. Refreshing the page. Reload the page. Learning together. There we go. Okay, so now that we've uploaded our custom thumbnail, you can see how it fits in perfectly. And we can go ahead, wait for this to save. We can close out of it, or we can go ahead and add in our next details, which we will do shortly.